Good morning, investors. In today's segment, we'll be talking about why Bitcoin price is really confused, and more importantly, what is that you need to know when it comes to Bitcoin price. So let's have a bit more deeper discussion around this topic. So let's have a deeper discussion. And before we do that, as always, it is important for me to go through this brief disclaimer, which is right in front of you. Now, a bit about myself, guys. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader with Bank of America, currently providing services as a chief analyst to EverTrade. Now, looking at the MT4 platform on the daily time frame, what we see initially is that we have three important moving averages. First, it is your 50-day simple moving average right over here. Followed by that, it is your 100-day simple moving average. And then finally, what you have over here is your 200-day simple moving average. The importance of these moving averages, as always, is that it tells you whether if the price is bullish or bearish. And by that, what I mean is if the price continues to trade above these moving averages, we know that we are going to see the more bulls in the market, meaning the price is going to stay more bullish. But when the price begins to fall below these moving averages, it is then that we see more bearish particular signals coming into the market. Now, of course, we don't know whether right now, looking at the price, we wanted to define at a later stage whether those important support and resistance levels are when it comes to the price. By looking at the price and the price itself, what we can really see is that there is a lot of confusion going on into this area of price consolidation, because the price continues to churn over here in a very much sideways pattern, being the high over here and the low being over here. So it is like that the bulls are not sure whether they should push above this particular price level or whether they should be really pushing below this particular price level. So that is the range that we are very much seeing in terms of a price action for the last number of days. And only once we are out of this particular zone, then we could really see that yes, now the new range could be forming. So, but for the time being, that range is not there at all. It is just a consolidation, and the consolidation between the two zones, as we have mentioned, between right over here and the lows being over here, that is where the price is very much being trading in. Now, in terms of our important support zone, it is right around this particular price level that we are very much focused on, because this is the area where we could see very significant buying pressure coming in. As for the resistance area, I am still holding on to my resistance near that 49 to 51,000 sort of a price level, because this is where we are going to see. So once again, to summarize, the price continues to consolidate between these two areas, and that is our support zone and our resistance zone being on the top. That's all for now. See you guys next time.